Why is it that we always see joy in the faces of holy people? This joy is not derived from pleasant conversations, nice gifts, or tasty food, but rather reflects a constant state of the heart, which is evident in a joyful smile and a loving gaze. To rejoice and thank the Lord for everything is a divine commandment. God's remark to Cain, who later killed his brother, was, "Why are you not joyful?" Joy disappeared from Cain's face and heart, resulting in the sin of fratricide. Why did it vanish? Because the Lord favored Abel's work. He was more pleased with the sacrifice offered by Abel. He did not disregard Cain's effort but paid more attention to Abel's, and as a consequence, joy left Cain's face. God's grace departed from him. Therefore, when we see a person who is not joyful, gloomy, and sorrowful, it always signifies the absence of God in the heart. There is no divine grace. Such a soul attracts everything that is not joyful and grotesque, surrounded by demons. As a result, there are illnesses, malice in the heart, hatred, an inability to forgive offenses, and so on. We should not confuse animalistic, instinctual joy, which we get when we indulge our passions and chase after pleasures, with the joy of the heart, the spiritual joy that no one can take away. When a person trusts God so deeply, accepts everything that the Lord sends, all sorrows and grief simply drown in love and joy in God. They know that everything is God's will, and whatever happens, their soul remains calm and joyful because grace is already in their heart. Such joy drives away demons, protects against evil, as it is a sign of God's presence. In such a state, the Lord manifests himself in our lives and even works miracles. We receive amazing healings, avoid dangers, and even death. When a person in this state prays for someone, their joy, trust in God, and peaceful state spread around them and are conveyed to those for whom they pray. This is why, when a mother prays for her children with humility and trust in God, divine grace protects them from all evil, enlightens their thoughts and actions, driving away all unclean spirits, along with illnesses, misfortunes, and dangers. Through a mother's prayers, the Lord invisibly guides them, and they feel how to make the right decisions, where danger may lie, and what to avoid. Always be joyful in your heart with God, so that divine grace never departs from you and those for whom you raise your prayers. If you like this video, please kindly give the video a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. May the Lord keep you.